G'day guys.
Hey guys, it's Blake and Jack here from Myofascial Therapies. We're going to show you a little bit of an anterior neck treatment that myself and Jack have been sort of playing around with lately.
It's pretty good.
We've come across a bit of a forgotten couple of muscles here that we have found to affect the jaw and a little bit of the temporal side of the head there, giving people some, what they believe to be TMJ or temporal headaches. We're just going to show you how we would go about treating that here at Myofascial Therapies.
Yep, totally. So I've been like clenching my jaw a bit at night, waking up feeling like I've got a little bit of jaw pain. It's a bit of tension, like grinding at nighttime and stuff. So yeah, Blake's going to jump in there and hit some stuff that really is like pretty key to referring in there.
And we're just going to start on the left side for Jack's sake. It's the more of the giving side, so I've got Jack here. He's going to rotate to the right for me. I'm just going to start off with some warm-up strokes, sort of on the SCM and scalenes. So just starting in on that massoid process, sinking in there, and starting to, it's feeling pretty good in there already.
Yeah, I can feel that stretching all over the place. It's great.
So pretty broad to start off with, but it's pretty juicy in there. How you going there, Jack?
Yeah, good man. Feeling like little crackles, little pops and stuff starting to release off. It's pretty like, I can actually already feel that referring around into my temple and top of my head, even a bit into the forehead.
Good, man. Good. Get a little bit of the base of the skull in here as well, so like your upper traps attachments and some pretty good stuff in there. Go one more stroke along there. Go sinking in. Doing all right there, Jack?
Yeah, man, I was just thinking, I can feel that like kind of each, feels like there's a lot of little spots as you're moving down. Oh, it's really getting into all of them.
Good. So these are pretty much just my warm-up strokes for this area, but if you've experienced our treatment before, you can vouch for our warm-up strokes tend to do a bit of the work as well.
Feels pretty good.
Now I'm just going to start at that bottom attachment now on this on the clavicle there. So we're going to sink in, still very broad, sinking right into that SCM.
Oh,
getting a little bit of the anterior scalenes there as well.
Oh. Yeah, definitely starting to feel that. This whole time, right, as well, there's no restriction on my throat. I'm not feeling any difficulty breathing or anything like that. It's all very safe. Nothing's kind of compromised or anything.
Good. Okay, so one more thing there. I'm going to get Jack to look straight ahead for me. I'm going to perform the same stroke, but this time he's going to rotate his head to the right. So I'm just going to land in right above that clavicle. I'm just going to get Jack to start to rotate his head to the right.
Oh yeah.
So the SCM, one of its actions is to rotate the head. So we get a bit of movement there. Yeah, good work, Jack. Good, man. Good.
Oh.
We're chasing that right up, just behind the ear, the massoid process where the SCM attaches onto. Good work, Jack.
I already feel like my neck can turn further.
Good. Now I'm just going to trace that around the back of the skull there. And now we can start to get into two of our newfound favourite muscles. So Jack's going to look straight ahead for me now. And I'm just going to gently rotate his head to the right, okay? I want to get in just right next to his SCM. into a muscle called longus colli. It attaches onto the front of the spine. So I'm just going to get right in there. I want to make sure that I don't feel a pulse and make sure that Jack can still breathe properly.
Easy.
So I'm just going to rest there for a moment, let it sink in. And what I can get Jack to do is just to gently lift his head up a little bit. That's it. And I can feel that muscle contract under there to let me know I'm on the right spot. And Jack, are you getting any referral with that yet?
Not. Oh yeah, it's slow as you're sinking in. It's slowly starting to go actually like right up to the top of my head.
Top of the head.
Like
yeah.
it's almost like it's like wrapping around behind my ear, up through my temple and right to the vertex of my head.
Yeah. So what I might do here is I'm just gonna cradle Jack's head a little bit and I'm just gonna gently rock him side to side.
Yeah, that's right, and like masseter now as well. But kind of on the inside, like on the feels like it's on the inside of my jaw rather than the outside.
So I'm just gonna sink you out of there and we're gonna go a little bit higher now. And this is more of the longus capitis, which can definitely refer into the jaw. Just in there. Doing okay, Jack?
Doing good, man.
So I've got my fingers pretty well resting on, it's a very thin group of muscles. They're our deep cervical flexors. And right on the front of the spine there.
Mm.
Okay.
It's loosening, it feels a lot looser already too.
I'll just get you to rotate to the right for me there, Jack, so I can get a bit of SCM happening. Okay, good, and come back to the left now. Good. So what I'm doing is I'm just using his SCM as a guide and then just sinking in immediately from there. It's a very sensitive area. I've got...
I was just going to say you can probably go in harder if you
a lot of nerves and stuff there. Making sure that you don't feel a pulse. If you're on the pulse there, you want to make sure you move off that. This way.
Trying?
No, you're okay.
I'm good.
Good. And we'll just get some more gentle movement from Jack. Good.
Ooh.
So that's just a little bit of a sample of some treatment that we can do on the anterior neck there.
Feels good, man. Jaw's nice and loose.
If you're feeling like a little bit of jaw pain or headaches around the temporal there, and this treatment resonates with you, yeah, just make a booking online and we'll fix you up, all right?
See you later, guys.